What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a major review, you guys. I've been doing big reviews lately, so like, comment, and subscribe to that. And I have to send a salute to them. They sent this out here for review. They like the way I review, and they like the way I demonstrate. All right, so that's one big thing on my channel. I do review and demonstrate. I don't just hurry up and do a 2-minute review for y'all and say, all right, there you go. So I try to give y'all a detailed review and an installation. We install on this channel, you guys. Now, where I'm going to install this, I don't know yet, but I want to install this outside because I want to actually use my garden hose. All right, so they sent in a 50-foot pressure washer hose. Is it 50? No, 25. So they sent in a 25-foot pressure washer hose, but this thing is rated for a 50-foot hose, just to let y'all know that. All right, so this is a retractable system, you guys. So it will pull out, you will hear the kick, 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 and then, you know, you can pull back and it should retract back inside. So we will definitely go over that system. You can use this for water. You can use this for air. Oh, there you go. See, it got a clicking mechanism right there. So you see that? Do you see that? All these teeth right here are clicks. So I like to get y'all close and personal so y'all can see. And you can't see the clicks, but it's on the back. And then it goes back when you let go. And it rubs right over top of the clicks. And then it goes back to normal. And then once again, you can keep on doing that. So that's how the retractable stuff goes when you keep rolling out, rolling out, rolling out. And it has the same thing on the bottom part. And then once you're done reeling, it will go all the way back to the original position that it needs to go. And then that would be it. Now, the thing with this, it has a stopper on it. Just like this retractable extension that I reviewed, I think it was around last year. That's on the ceiling of my garage, the little retractable one. They have a stopper on it. So in your box of hardware here, and they have a lot of hardware. So we will be doing a couple of things in here. They give you some tape. So you're definitely going to need tape. All right. So they give you this adapter right here. So this should go right there. And of course you will be using tape, but I'm just putting it there for now because I don't want it to fall. And then right here, so you have the stopper right here. So this stopper is to stop it from going all the way. So that is nice. And then you have your screws. They have enough screws right here to get the job done. Now these screws are not sharp tip. They the flat tip on them. So just to keep you informed on that when you go to do your install. All right. So you may need a pre-drill. You need to pre-drill some holes before you put this thing up, but they do give you 4. Now water comes through this holes right here, and then you're supposed to put your water hose through that hole right in there. Give me 1 second, focus. So this hole right here, that's where the water comes out, and then you're supposed to feed your water hose through this port right here, and then you reel it. So that's how it's supposed to work. All right, so the hose that they send out, the diameter of the hose right here is too big to fit in the hole. All right, you guys, so this is what I mean. I'm gonna get y'all right here so y'all can know what I'm talking about. Now, if you purchase a hose or any type of hose, it could be an airline hose or whatever, you have your hole that you're supposed to put it through. That way you can get it to that part right there, the inner part right there. So what you do is, you see how this don't fit? All right. Now somebody in the comments said, you have no boggling skills, blah, blah, blah. All right, you guys, now I have y'all up close and personal. Now, what I did was I took flathead and I went underneath and popped this plastic part off. There's a few scratches here, but guess what? It'll get covered back up once you put the protector on. Now, I initially wanted to hook up my garden hose to this, in which I probably still could, but I might just hold off until next year for that. So I will be putting this, or try to put it up in the garage. Once again, this is hard to fit in when you try to put it in like this, right? So you take this out and pop it in like that and put this in, and that is it. The next task you will have to do, get a connector, in which I got mine from Amazon. I will put a link in the description of what I bought. All right, gonna put this in, and then, all right, I have a long extension. Now I'm going to tighten it up. Thank you guys. I know I'm waking all the neighbors up today, but it has to be. This piece actually comes with the unit. All you do is put this on the side. You got the screw, and then they give you nuts and washers. So this is the type to where, you know, if you want to put it through like wood, you put it through wood, and then you have the nut to put on the back. But in our case, we're gonna hang it in the garage. So I have these nice little screws right here, and I need to find a stud. I know at least 2 studs I will find, but I will hang it up with 2 studs, and then I will get some anchors to hang up for the other side. But yeah, these I got from my actual garage unboxing, so they're actually the same size, so I'm surprised that this actually worked out for me. If you're doing this by yourself, it may be a little bit tricky. Make sure you have a buddy or something. In my case, I will just try to do it on my own, and hopefully I don't get hurt. Usually retractables are nice when they're very high. All right, you guys, so now we are going to put the stopper on, and to do this, they have 2 different sizes on here. Well, they have the hex part, so when you put your little nut in, you see the little hexagon slot right there. So you put that inside on that side, and when you put it on, you want to put it on so you can screw it up. And we're going to put the screw on the other side, and the screw actually have like a little Phillip. You could do Phillip or flathead, however you want to do it. That's how they designed this screw right here. So we are simply just going to go ahead and put it on, and that will be it. So, and I might put this up a little bit higher, you guys, but for the video's sake, I have it up right here. Got it on, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the screw in. There we go. The hole's too big, you guys. So this is designed for a little bit of a bigger hose. All right, so I got this hose from Amazon. They do have this hose right here, but this looks like the same size. So this hose is actually designed for this blocker is designed for a bigger hose. But I'll leave it on right here for now, just in case I get a bigger hose for this. See, it will stop it. I don't want to let it go all the way. But y'all get the point. All right, so right here, you see this arrow, it says feed hose out or add spring tension. So it means it's going this way. So when you put your hose on, you gotta put your hose on that way. I meant to show y'all that earlier. Now with this, I only have it on by one screw, you guys, but I am in the stud. I want to get the level it, and then put the other screw on, and I want to get anchors. So what I'm gonna do is make a mark, get 2 anchors, and then screw it in. But I do have it kind of low, so when the car is in here, somebody can hit their head. Now I am going to move this. I made my decision. Now I want to move this over here, but I want to put it up. All right, I want to put it up a little bit further in the air, at least above 6 foot. That way, whoever's 6 foot something, they will just have to duck. 7.5 inches. This thing is heavy duty, like very heavy duty. When you're looking online, you might look at it and be like, oh, you know, it's just like a regular hose reel or whatever. No. This thing is literally heavy duty. All right, you guys, so that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.